Hey everybody, welcome back to Dad Does Videos. We got another quick hitter video for you. Before I showed you how to refill the distilled water in your sump pump battery, today I want to show you how, in case you get tired of refilling that battery all the time with water, you can just get one that is no maintenance. And basically, if you have a Pro Series pump, a 1730 like I do, especially with the remote connections on the right hand side, you are allowed to use a battery that is maintenance free. You could get the Watchdog one, but what I did was actually just went to AutoZone, and as long as the rating is the same on the battery, you can use that. So as you can see here, I've got a Duralast Marine and RV deep cycle battery, and it operates the same exact way. It just cycles through the battery and charges it. As you can see on the top here, if you're familiar, everything's working. I have no warning lights on the side. You can tell right here that the system is operating, and if I stayed here long enough, you can see that it would be charging at certain times as well. One of the things that you'll notice and you probably can't see it, there we go, where the raindrop is, basically, it basically says, hey, if you're using a maintenance-free battery, attach the fluid sensor to the positive post in the battery, and that's exactly what I did. So instead of the fluid sensor going in one of your holes in the battery, you just attach it to the positive post. That's it. I am not a plumber nor an electrician, but this worked for me.